Hello, today I'm going to show you this BA101 battery tester. This is our tester. I'm going to show you how to check your battery tester. Okay, this is plus, this is minus. We are going to attach like that. Okay, to choose battery in vehicle, battery test. Okay, now I am turn on the light 10 seconds and we are going to see the result. Regular floated, enter. We are going to enter our CCA. My CCA is my 604. Enter. It's testing. Cat health is 89 point. Charge is 95 point. It says my battery, good battery. Okay, now you can print your data, review your data. Let's change look, and you can print your data if you want. Okay, now we are going to change. We are going to check the cracking test. Okay, I'm going to start the engine. Cat is testing. Fine is this, cracking is normal. Charging testing, okay. The cat is loaded 30 point, unloaded 30 point, says my voltage is low. This is how to test your battery, your cracking, and your charging. It's easy and simple. Thank you. Okay, testing is simple. Just this one is we are going to put negative. This they are going to put positive. Then you are going to choose here the battery in the vehicle. We're going to choose the battery test. It's going to test. In cracking test, you should turn on your vehicle. Charging test, you should turn on vehicle and put the gas a little bit, then it's going to show the results. And here you can check your data. Look, this is my data. We did outside 89, 95. It says my battery is good. You can print your data here. System select that. It doesn't need charging. The tester get power directly from the vehicle battery, so it always ready to use. It works with many types of 12 batteries, including floated, AGM, GER, and EFP batteries. It's useful for cars, trucks, RVs, boats, ATVs, lawn tractors, golf carts, and many other vehicles. If you want a simple way, monitor battery health and catch the problem early, this is a great choice. Thank you for watching.